Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of passive income with Grass, a platform that lets you earn coins by simply using your internet. Intrigued? Let's get started. First things first, head over to www.getgrass.io. Here you'll find all the info you need about how Grass works and how it keeps your data secure. To join the Grass community, click on the sign up button. Remember, it's an invite-only platform, so you'll need a referral code. I've got you covered. Use the link below this video to get started. Once you've signed up and verified your account, it's time to get the Grass Chrome extension up and running. Find the Grass extension in the Chrome Web Store. Hit Add to Chrome and voila, you're in business. The extension will work its magic in the background. You won't even notice it's there, but it'll be busy turning your unused bandwidth into Grass coins. Now let's take a peek at the dashboard. This is where you can track your earnings, see your impact, and manage your account settings. It's all very user-friendly. And that's it! You're all set to start earning with Grass. With minimal effort, your unused bandwidth is now an asset that works for you. If you're ready to join the passive income revolution with Grass, click the referral link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making the most of your digital life. Happy earning!